Are you looking for quick and delicious keto meals that you can make in just 5 minutes? Well, you're in luck. In this video, I'll show you how to make 5 delicious keto meals that you can whip up in no time. Keto is a low-carb, high-fat diet that has been proven to help with weight loss, reduce inflammation, and improve overall health. But it can be hard to find quick and easy keto meals that don't take a lot of time to prepare. That's why I'm here to show you how to make 5 delicious keto meals in just 5 minutes. First up is keto egg muffins. All you need is eggs, bacon, cheese, and your favorite vegetables. Simply whisk the eggs together, add the bacon, cheese, and vegetables, and bake in the oven for 15 minutes. Next is keto avocado toast. All you need is a ripe avocado, some olive oil, and your favorite seasonings. Mash the avocado with a fork, spread it on a piece of toast, and top with olive oil and seasonings. Third is keto zucchini noodles. All you need is zucchini, olive oil, garlic, and your favorite herbs. Simply spiralize the zucchini, sauté in olive oil and garlic, and top with herbs. Fourth is keto cauliflower rice. All you need is cauliflower, olive oil, garlic, and your favorite seasonings. Simply pulse the cauliflower in a food processor, sauté in olive oil and garlic, and top with seasonings. Finally, keto salmon cakes. All you need is canned salmon, eggs, almond flour, and your favorite seasonings. Simply mix the salmon, eggs, almond flour, and seasonings together, form into patties, and cook in a skillet for a few minutes. So there you have it. 5 delicious keto meals that you can make in just 5 minutes. Now that you know how to make these quick and delicious keto meals, why not give them a try? And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching.